Hey, this is John in Nature. We're coming up to the campsite. This is my friend Kyle. Just a short hike outdoors, and I can't wait to have a good time. Okay, we're coming up to the campsite. Okay guys, this is where we're going to be hunkering down for the night. Man, I take my pack off and get set up. First things first, we have to clear the fire pit from last week's fire. There you go. Just get little handfuls of that. Okay. Well, this is our special warmer shovel. It's a little floppy.
Get the most important step. It's very important that you conserve resources, considering the fact that out here in survival, all food's important. Some of this stuff can be pretty nutritious when you cook dogs. You know, some of the nutrients fall from the hot dog and goes right into this pit here.
How's it taste?
Bon appetit.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Sure, not even fucking.
It helps a lot in the scooping process. First things first, after I've cleared out the fire pit, it's time to get something to burn. Find a lot of wood, and this wood right here. So typically you're looking for drier stuff like this. That's good first step. Oh, yeah. Very good. We have collected wood. Looks about right for tonight. Just gonna start splitting this stuff up. Yeah. So after all that work, you know, I'm sure I'm tired. But yeah, a good tip is whenever you're tired, you can look in these green patches here, and they have these already pre-sealed Monster Energies fruits. So nature's bounty, am I right?
Really helps with your energy conservation throughout the day.
Yep. Cheers. Pretty good. The glories of nature. Okay, first things first. When the weather gets rough and when the night comes, you're not gonna want to be exposed to the elements. So, first things first, you want to get yourself some shelter. In this case, we have a nice 2-person tent by Camp Hell. All right. It's very important that you find level terrain and you clear it of all debris and other stuff. So when you're sleeping, you don't get a rock up your butt. It's very uncomfortable. All right. Check this out.
down, asshole. He's really good at building pyramids. This is how the Egyptians did it. Pyramid of Giza, more like pyramid of shit.
Home sweet home.
Cleopatra, more like Cleofaptra.
Well, first things first, gotta get that fire going. And if you wanna have an easy time, you need some kindling. And well, a good tip I found, toilet paper. Not only is it good to wipe your ass with, but it's also good to start fire. So, let's get her done. All right. So, when you get the start fire going, this finally loose stuff right here, perfect for tinder. So what you do is you sort of compact it down. When I found some small brush, sort of into the shape of a bird's nest. And it's called a bird's nest because it's in the shape of a bird's nest. Okay. Then all I need to do, take your tinder material right here, stick it in like that. Get that sucker going. Turn it over. All right. It's going pretty quickly, so.
I always knew you were good at aerodynamics.
Put some there. Oh wow, that's going quick. Just throw the wood on there, and then it should just work. Looks like we got a good fire going. We're gonna wait for it to burn a little bit, and then we'll start our 5-course meal. It's always nice coming out in nature. It is wiener time. Me and Kyle are having ourselves a good meal. So, it's on the high here. Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah. But yeah, it's always a good time. Always a good time.
What it's all about.
Oh yeah.
I like my dogs with coffee. Coffee and sugar.
Yeah, it's too bad we don't have any extra coffee.
Got a sugar right behind that camera though.
Yeah. Hot dog. Oh boy.
Fuck yeah. Hot dog with the eyes. It's looking good.
A little slimy, but
Fuck yeah.
it's a good dog. Over the fire. Hot diggity dog. Hot diggity dog. Mission complete.
Building a wall here. It's gonna keep the wind from coming in on our fire. Got a log right here, got some stakes. We're gonna stack some logs up. Oh yeah. My dad would be so proud of me. If only he were here still.
Yeah, your daddy died, right?
It's just for Papa.
It was pretty funny.
This one.
It's just like Tetris.
Yeah, exactly. Tetris. No dad Tetris.
Oh, nice. So, yeah.
Fucking damn it.
Well, the wind wall didn't quite work out as well as we thought it would. Turns out none of us are quite that good at Lego, and we're definitely not that good at bricklaying.
If all else fails, you just lay down.
about 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a cold one last night, but I stayed nice and toasty. Me and Kyle here, we stuck it up pretty good. But they say nights like these turn you into a man. Now it's time to take down everything and hike back. We got about a 60-mile hike, so it'll be a long day. Okay.
Sure beats waking up in a bed.
That's a big rock. What's that shit? Looks like I found some animal feces. Looks like it could be black bear or something else. So there's definitely bears around, but I'm not scared. All right, we're gonna start hiking. It's about 60 miles, as I told. This has been John in Nature with Kyle for an overnight camping trip. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, always stay creamy.
And remember to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, and please turn on all notifications.
You're damn right.